Good morning, children. Happy to see you all again to this online classes. Today we are going to see an wow fact. Our country, India, is the second largest English speaking country. Second largest English speaking country. Are you all proud of it? Yes, our country is second largest English speaking country. Okay children, without any delay, let's get into the class. Last class we discussed about natural resources, especially we discussed about water resources. What are the basic needs for the human children? Yes, food, water, air are the basic needs for the human. So every day we eat, isn't it? To keep our body fit and healthy. Today also we are going to discuss about crops and plants grown in India. In every bridge lesson we are discussing about our country. Are you gaining knowledge about it? That's good. Don't forget it children, because it is all important facts to know about. So let's discuss about plants and crops grown in our country. Early humans hunt animals and ate. They ate it raw. They started to eat few grains. As it was tasted good, they started to cultivate them. To cultivate them, they started to live near the river banks. This is how the cultivation started. But if you see now, our country plays a major role in agriculture. As Indians eat variety of food, isn't it? We eat few varieties of food, not few, lot more. So as we eat lot of varieties of food, even we cultivate lot of varieties of crops. Do you all want to know where we get rice, wheat, sugarcane, cotton, everything? Usually you will go to the supermarket and get your needs. But do you want to know actually where it comes from? Let's discuss today. Before knowing about the most common crops cultivated in India, you should know about the cropping pattern. Cropping pattern is important in agriculture, that is in cultivation. Now you can see lot of technological improvement in agricultural field. But in olden days, there were no technological equipments to cultivate. Everything was man-made. One of the basic need for cultivation is season, moisture of soil, temperature, water facility and a good maintenance. What are they children? Seasons, temperature, moisture of soil, water and good maintenance. These are the general basic needs for agriculture. See, all the crops cannot grow in same field. Different crops need different types of soil. So soil is most important part. And a correct amount of rainfall. Rainfall is also one of the factors to grow good crops in the soil. Now let's discuss about cropping pattern. There are three types of cropping pattern. They are Rabi, Kharif and Zaid crop. Will you repeat after me? Rabi, Kharif and Zaid. These are the three cropping patterns in India. Let's see what is grown under the cropping pattern. Rabi. When you see the letter I in the word, remember it is a winter crop. It is sown in winter from October to December and harvested in summer. So when you hear the word Rabi, remember it is a winter crop sown in winter from October to December and harvested in summer, that is April to June. Some of Rabi crops are wheat, barley, peas and gram. So these are the Rabi crops. Mainly it is grown in Punjab, Haryana and few places of Tamil Nadu. Monsoon rain is very important for this Rabi crops. So Rabi crops are nothing but it is sown in winter and harvested in summer. Some of the Rabi crops are wheat, barley, peas and gram. It is grown in Punjab and Haryana and few countries in India. And monsoon rain is very important for Rabi crops. Next, we are going to discuss about Kharif crops. Kharif crops are sown in monsoon during June to July and harvested in September to October. Some of the Kharif crops are paddy, maize, cotton, jute, groundnut and soya beans. It's mainly grown in Odisha, Assam, Tamil Nadu, Kerala, Maharashtra. These types of crops are grown in Assam, Odisha, Tamil Nadu, Kerala and Maharashtra. Now next is Zaid crops sown in summer from March to April, harvested in June. Short season during summer months. So these crops are grown in short season, especially in summer months. Some of the crops are watermelon, muskmelon, cucumber and few common vegetables. So there are three types of cropping pattern. They are Rabi, Kharif and Zaid. So now you know what are the cropping patterns and what are the crops grow under the cropping patterns. Now let's discuss about the crops, major crops grown in India. There are many types of crops grown in India. They are differentiated into two types. One is food crops, another one is cash crops. Food crops. What all comes under food crops? What do we eat? We eat rice, wheat, ragi, etc. So these are comes under food crop. Cash crops, nothing but tea, coffee, fruits, spices, vegetables, oil seeds, sugarcane, cotton. Crops are divided into two types. One is food crops and cash crops. Food crops, nothing but rice, wheat, ragi, etc. Cash crops, nothing but tea, coffee, fruits, spices, vegetables, groundnuts and sugarcane, etc. So there are two types. Okay, now let's discuss about the major important crops grown in our country. Okay, first and foremost, we eat rice. Rice is the major crop grown in our country. Stable crop. It is a stable crop for the people of India. Rice is Kharif crop. It comes under the crop pattern Kharif. Okay. It requires a high temperature about 25 degrees Celsius. Rice is grown in the plains of northeast of India. Last class we discussed about irrigation, isn't it? So this crops comes under canal irrigation. So canal irrigation is conducted in Punjab, Haryana and West Uttar Pradesh and parts of Rajasthan. So first major crop is rice. Next wheat. So wheat is a second most important crop in India. Main food crop in north and northwestern part. It requires a cool growing season. Rainfalls about 50 to 75 centimeter. Grown in black soil regions of the Deccan. It is grown in the black soil region of Deccan. Wheat producing states are Punjab, Haryana, Uttar Pradesh, Bihar and parts of Madhya Pradesh. So first we discussed about rice. So next one is wheat. Next we are going to discuss about millet. They are crops that contains seeds. Importance of millet are ragi and jowar. Ragi is very rich in iron, calcium and other nutrients. Grow well in red, sandy and black soil. Ragi is grown in Tamil Nadu, Sikkim and few other places. Next we are going to discuss about maize. Maize, it is also a kharif crop. Temperature required for it is 21 degrees Celsius to 27 degrees Celsius. Modern irrigation is needed for the maize to grow. Major maize producing states are Karnataka, Uttar Pradesh, Andhra Pradesh and etc. Next, finally, we are going to discuss about pulses
in the world. India is the largest producers as well as the consumer of pulses in the world. Pulses that are grown such as moong dal, pea, gram, udar, tuvar dal. So these are the pulses grown in our country. They are also called leguminous crops. Pulses help in restoring soil fertility by fixing nitrogen from the air. Pulses are mostly grown in rotation with other crops. Pulses producing states are Rajasthan, Maharashtra and Karnataka. So we have discussed about 5 major crops. They are rice, wheat, millet, maize and pulses. So these are the 5 major crops grown in our country. Okay children, let's quickly recall what all we have discussed in today's class. So today we have discussed about the plants and crops grown in our country. So to know about the crops grown in our country, we have to know about the cropping pattern. There are 3 types of cropping pattern. Can you quickly tell me what are they? Yes, so there are 3 types of cropping pattern. Under that we have few crops growing. So we have discussed about 5 crops today. What are they? Rice, wheat, millet, maize and pulses. Okay children, I think this video will be very helpful for you. Go through the supplementary video and complete the Kahoot children. We will meet in the next class. Thank you.